Be awesome, be cool. That's what I say to myself before recording any video. And so today I thought to make the similar text portrait effect or half face portrait effect in Canva. So let's start with it. So as you can see that I have chosen an Instagram post 1:1 canvas, which is 1080 cross 1080 pixels, and for this I will be using the text here, and I will click on add a heading to add a text, and I will just make the text one by one. So for the first I will make B, okay, and after that I will just duplicate it 6 times. I will place it one by one because I want to change the text, and every time just taking the add heading and then bringing it back here is quite time taking. So I will be doing it here in a single go. Okay, and I will click the first one, go to font, and here I will type Anton. Okay, and select here and click on change all. Okay, so all the fonts have been changed. Now I want to change the font size. For the B I will be doing 99. Okay, and for O and sum I want to do 106. So for this I will write here 106. I will do the same for this, and for the last three I will be doing the font size of 173. So let's do it, and after that when it is done I will align it in the right format. So let's align it here one by one. Make sure the gap is intact for all of them. Okay, and for the last one let's do this. Okay, and just select all of them and just move upwards a bit, and after that we will use the picture. So for that I will go to elements here, and I will use this picture for this example, and I will make it bigger. And I will right click on the picture and go to layers, bring to front, and after that I will just decrease the transparency to check if it is working for me or not. And as you can see it is working fine. Okay, and let's see if all the layers are working or not. Okay, so this one is working, so I will change the transparency of the portrait to 100 and just Ctrl X to cut the portrait and just paste it in the next page. But you need to download it, but as you know you can't download a single photo or element directly from Canva. So I want to use a element which is not harming our main picture, and I will make it as small as I can, and I will just bring it here, and I will download the first page and the second page. Now I will download both the files and click on share, click on download, make sure it is in PNG, and select current page for page 1. And for page 2 now do the same process. So our downloading is done. Now add page and bring both the downloaded files and just upload them. Okay. Okay. Now I will go to apps, and here I will write blend. Okay, click on blend image and select the upper layer with the text or the top layer, and the bottom layer will be this one, the face or the portrait, and make sure the blend mode is in screen and add page and add this design, and make sure you make it to the same size as the canvas and just crop it till here because you don't want the text to cover the whole of the canvas. So just copy the photo which I just uploaded from the previous page and just paste it here and just crop it till here so that the effect is created. But the work is still not over. Just click it the picture which is the half face and just click on BG remover. And double click on BG remover and click on erase here and make sure the brush size is as small as you want. For me 8 looks good and I will just edit till here. And now as the erasing is done, click on cross here and wait for some time till the effect is here. Now just click on Ctrl A and make the whole work smaller and just bring it here, and after that just scroll up to find the elements, write shadow here and use the first one, just bring it down till here so that you can make a floating effect for this image. So hope you like this tutorial, and this is a cool way to present your portrait, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more cool tutorials like this. Thank you.